Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some documentary films trivia. What film chronicles the life of a man with Alzheimer's? A. A Beautiful Mind, or B. Memento, or C. The Notebook, or D. Still Alice? The correct answer is D. Still Alice. Which film covers the 1974 High Wire Act by Philippe Petit? A. High Wire Hero, or B. The Walk, or C. Tightrope, or D. Man on Wire? The correct answer is D. Man on Wire. What documentary explores the 2016 U.S. presidential election? A. 2012 Election Rewind, or B. Get Me Roger Stone, or C. 2018-16, or D. The Fog of War? The correct answer is B. Get Me Roger Stone. Which documentary showcases deep-sea exploration? A. Our Planet, or B. Chasing Ice, or C. Voyage of Time, or D. Free Solo? The correct answer is C. Voyage of Time. Which documentary examines factory farming practices and its possible solutions? A. Cowspiracy, or B. The True Cost, or C. Supersize Me, or D. Food Inc.? The correct answer is D. Food Inc. What documentary focuses on the rise of social media? A. Generation Like, or B. Terms and Conditions, or C. The Social Dilemma, or D. The Great Hack? The correct answer is C. The Social Dilemma. What documentary portrays the beginnings of hip-hop? A. Hip-Hop Evolution, or B. Beats of Rage, or C. Hip-Hop Uncovered, or D. Rapture? The correct answer is A. Hip-Hop Evolution. Which film depicts life within the American prison system? A. Goodfellas, or B. 13th, or C. The Shawshank Redemption, or D. American History X? The correct answer is B. 13th. Which film addresses the issues of water scarcity and its possible solutions? A. Flow, For Love of Water, or B. Aaron Brockovich, or C. The Last Drop, or D. Waterworld? The correct answer is A. Flow, For Love of Water. Which documentary highlights the impact of diet on health? A. What the Health, or B. Supersize Me, or C. Fed Up, or D. Food Inc.? The correct answer is C. Fed Up. What film tells the story of the artist Banksy? A. Exit Through the Gift Shop, or B. Banksy Unmasked, or C. Street Art Revolution, or D. The Art of War? The correct answer is A. Exit Through the Gift Shop. Which documentary explores the life of rock legend Janis Joplin? A. Janis, or B. Exit Through the Gift Shop, or C. Amy, or D. 20 Feet from Stardom? The correct answer is A. Janis. Which documentary showcases the process of bee decline and its possible solutions? A. Planet Earth, or B. The Secret Life, or C. Bee Movie, or D. More Than Honey? The correct answer is D. More Than Honey. What film covers the career of fashion designer Alexander McQueen? A. McQueen, or B. Fashion Icons 2018, or C. Vogue Chronicles, or Dior, the movie? The correct answer is A. McQueen. Which documentary presents the history of animation? A. Persistence of Vision, or B. Film Animation, or C. Walt's World, or D. Cartoon History? The correct answer is A. Persistence of Vision. What film examines the chemical additives in food? A. Consume, or B. Supersize Me, or C. Food Matters, or D. The Diet Book? The correct answer is A. Consume. Which documentary investigates the music of the 1960s? A. The Sound of Music, or B. Woodstock 3 Days, or C. 20 Feet from Stardom, or D. A Star is Born? The correct answer is C. 20 Feet from Stardom. Which documentary addresses the war in Afghanistan and its possible solutions? A. Restrepo, or B. The Fog of War, or C. Vietnam in HD, or D. Black Hawk Down? The correct answer is A. Restrepo. Which documentary portrays the life of artist Keith Haring? A. Warhol's New York, or B. Keith Haring, or C. Basquiat documentary, or D. Street Art Today? The correct answer is B. Keith Haring. Which documentary features notable female chefs? A. Jiro Dream Sushi, or B. A Fine Line, or C. Chef's Table, or D. Forks Over Knives? The correct answer is B. A Fine Line. What film highlights mismanagement during Hurricane Katrina? A. When the Levees Broke, or B. New Orleans Rising, or C. The Big Easy, or D. Flood of '05? The correct answer is A. When the Levees Broke. Which documentary focuses on conflicts in the Middle East and its possible solutions? A. No End in Sight, Restrepo, or C. Inside Job, or D. The Fog of War? The correct answer is A. No End in Sight. What film showcases Brazil's favelas? A. City of God, or B. The Constant Gardener, or C. Elite Squad, or D. Slumdog Millionaire? The correct answer is A. City of God. Which documentary outlines the dangers of texting while driving and its possible solutions? A. Texting Kills, or B. From 1 second to the next, or C. Deadly Distractions, or D. Driving Under Influence? The correct answer is B. From 1 second to the next. What film details the life of Edward Snowden? A. The Fifth Estate, or B. War Games, or C. The Imitation Game, or D. Citizen 4? The correct answer is D. Citizen 4. Which documentary investigates violence in video games? A. Video Game Crisis, or B. Not a Game, or C. Game Over, or D. Pixelated Violence? The correct answer is B. Not a Game. Which documentary explores youth culture in Los Angeles? A. Los Angeles Plays Itself, or B. City of God, or C. The Decline 2, or D. Searching for Sugar Man? The correct answer is A. Los Angeles Plays Itself. Which documentary examines the opioid crisis in America and its possible solutions? A. The Pharmacist, or B. The Cost of Care, or C. Painkiller, or D. Chasing the Dragon? The correct answer is D. Chasing the Dragon. What film explores the charitable work of Oprah Winfrey? A. Becoming, or B. Precious, or C. Selma, or D. The Butler? The correct answer is A. Becoming. Which documentary covers the rise of skateboarding culture? A. Blackfish, or B. The Cove, or C. Dogtown and Z-Boys, or D. Supersize Me? The correct answer is C. Dogtown and Z-Boys. Which documentary focuses on life inside North Korea? A. Inside North Korea, or B. The Cold War, or C. North Korea Uncovered, or D. Under the Sun? The correct answer is D. Under the Sun. What film looks at the craft of storytelling? A. Stories We Tell, or B. Storyteller's Journey, or C. The Narrative, or D. The Story of Us? The correct answer is A. Stories We Tell. Which documentary investigates genetic engineering? A. The True Cost, or B. Food Evolution, or C. Genetic Roulette, or D. Our Planet? The correct answer is B. Food Evolution. Which documentary chronicles the life of Penny Marshall? A. A Life Unscripted, or B. This Is Me, or C. Women Behind Bars, or D. Penny Marshall, A Life? The correct answer is D. Penny, A Life. Which documentary presents perspectives on global warming and its possible solutions? A. An Inconvenient Truth, or B. Chasing Ice, or C. Planet Earth, or D. Before the Flood? The correct answer is A. An Inconvenient Truth. What film covers the journey of a harrowing escape from North Korea? Kim Jong-gilia, or B. 12 Strong, or C. The Interview, or D. Snowpiercer? The correct answer is A. Kim Jong-gilia. What film showcases the life of an acclaimed female artist? A. Frida, or B. Girl with a Pearl Earring, or C. Amadeus, or D. The Piano? The correct answer is A. Frida. Which documentary highlights the science of happiness? A. The Pursuit, or B. Inner Peace, or C. Happy, or D. Happiness Explained? The correct answer is C. Happy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.